Hour by hour, here's what you can expect. Mostly cloudy skies this morning. After lunchtime, especially after about 1 o'clock, we'll start to watch for snow pushing in from the southwest to the northeast. So those of you joining us from Columbiana County this morning, you'll be the first to see the snow. And then it's going to quickly overspread much of the valley through the afternoon and into this evening. Now, if you've got plans this evening, dinner plans, maybe off to a movie, keep in mind scattered snow will be falling. Some pockets of moderate snow could reduce visibility, and slick spots will be fair game on the roads through this evening and into tonight. Scattered snow will continue overnight into first thing Sunday morning, but notice by 7, 8 o'clock, most of that snow is out of here. Maybe an isolated flurry left over first thing tomorrow morning, but for the most part, we're going to start Sunday on a quiet note. Now, still some slippery spots, fair game as you're out the door, but for the most part, we will see a mix of sun and clouds. I should have warned you before I started this. We're having some technical glitches with our temperatures. Temperatures will not be in the 200s tomorrow. Temperatures will be in the 20s and 30s. Don't get your hopes up with those warm temperatures. It's going to be a chilly Sunday, but for the most part, a dry Sunday. Let's talk about how much snow you can expect. The big question, as always, again, snow will move in early this afternoon and will continue through the middle part of the day. 1 inch or less expected throughout the daylight hours today, and our highest amounts are going to be for folks again in Columbiana County. They'll be the first to see the snow, and that trend will continue as we go throughout the night and into very early tomorrow morning. That's where we're expecting some of our heaviest totals. I think on average from trace to about 2 inches is going to be what most areas will see. The further south you get, that's when we could see some of those higher numbers, closer to possibly 3 inches or so. So what you need to know today, it's a dry morning. If you've got any errands to do in the early part of the day, really up until about the noon and 1 o'clock hour, you won't have to worry about any snow. Snow will push in into the early part of the afternoon. It will continue this afternoon. Snow will be likely overnight, trace to 3 inches. I think that 3 is going to again be in some isolated spots, mainly in the southern part of our viewing area. We're starting tomorrow with just an isolated flurry. Otherwise, expect scattered clouds for the second part of your weekend. Quiet weather continues Monday and Tuesday. Scattered clouds becoming mostly sunny on Tuesday with temperatures in the low 30s. We'll have another system to talk about that's looking like it'll move in through the middle part of the day on Wednesday, bringing scattered snow showers through